We often assume that living a luxury lifestyle requires $1 million in the bank. Tim Ferriss designed a tool called Dreamlining to bypass that assumption entirely. Instead of chasing a vague financial fantasy, Dreamlining allows you to calculate the exact daily dollar amount required to fund your ideal life and gives you the framework to take the very first step today. To complete this exercise, you need 4 things: a piece of paper, a pen, a calculator, and a rough estimate of your current basic monthly living expenses. Before you write anything down, you need to shift how you approach goal setting. The question isn't, what do I want? The question is, what would genuinely excite me? If you chase what you think you should want, you end up setting boring, realistic goals. Those goals rarely generate the momentum needed to actually get up and do the work. Excitement drives physical action. Step 1 is setting a hard deadline. Choose either a strict 6-month or a 12-month timeline. Keep the window tight to force a sense of urgency. Now, draw 3 columns on your paper: having, being, and doing. Take a few minutes to list up to 5 dreams in each category. Your having list covers material desires. Put down anything from a specific sports car to a new tech gadget for your office. Being goals are internal upgrades. These are new skills you intend to learn or new identities you want to adopt. But being goals come with a trap. They are often too vague to measure. To fix this, you have to convert every being goal into a measurable physical action. Being a great cook is an abstract idea, but cooking a holiday turkey dinner for your extended family is a concrete pass-or-fail milestone. Similarly, becoming fluent in French is difficult to quantify. Ordering lunch from a Parisian waiter in French is a specific geographic action. Translating vague desires into concrete milestones forces you to design a lifestyle built entirely around real experiences, rather than simply acquiring a pile of things. Review your entire brainstorm list. Circle the 4 items across all the columns that would most drastically transform your daily reality. These are your big 4. Next, estimate the specific monthly cost to finance those 4 dreams. If one of them is a one-time trip, divide the total trip cost by your timeline, 6 or 12 months, to get the monthly breakdown. Now, write down your baseline monthly living expenses. Tally up your rent, your average food costs, your utilities, and any minimum debt payments. We can plug these numbers into a formula to calculate your target monthly expense. Start by adding up the individual monthly costs of your big 4 dreams. To execute this safely, you need an emergency buffer. Multiply your baseline monthly expenses by 1.3 and add that to the cost of your dreams. That sum is your target monthly expense. Finally, divide that target monthly expense by 30. That reveals your ultimate metric, your target daily expense. Look at that final dollar amount. When people complete this calculation, they almost always find that the daily cost of funding their ideal life is significantly lower than they assumed. Breaking your goals down into daily math removes the millionaire illusion. Luxury lifestyle design is simply a matter of hitting a realistic daily cash flow target. Now that you know the target, write down 3 highly specific micro-steps next to each of your big 4 dreams. There is one strict rule for this list. The very first step for each dream must take 5 minutes or less to complete. This could mean sending a 2-sentence email to an expert to ask a single question, or booking an introductory trial class for a new skill online. Executing a 5-minute microstep without hesitation creates immediate, decisive momentum. A goal without a defined physical next action is just a wish. Mapping out these microsteps forces you to manufacture your own forward progress. By finishing this exercise, you have successfully transformed abstract goals into a priced, actionable roadmap. So pause this video and execute that first 5-minute microstep right now. The core philosophy of this process is execution. The objective is to actually do the work, not just plan it. Now that you know your target daily expense, the next priority is optimizing your time to fund it. Identifying the exact price of your freedom is only the beginning. The ultimate challenge is freeing up your schedule and automating your income streams to step into that reality.